Okay, guys, went down to the mailbox. and we went down to the mailbox today and picked up this. Folks, this is happening every day on a regular basis. Now, we're going to talk about it in this video, what's possible with these flyers. It's just absolutely astounding as to what you can do with these flyers. We'll talk about it all on the other side. Hey folks, Tim Thomas, guys, go ahead and like this video. Like this video. Could give you 50 more years of good luck. Good luck. 50 more years, or 60 or 70. Subscribe to the channel so when I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. Hit that notification bell. Guys, look at this channel. It's about money making opportunities, ways to exponentially grow your income. We are rocking and rolling over here, guys. This is happening on a daily basis. Now, guys, every day I'm not going to do a proof video, but this right here just shows you what's possible. We have this. This is regular basis, guys. This even happens on days that I don't do a proof video. And why, how can you do it, guys? Multiple programs. When you have more than 1, 2, 3 programs running, guys, at a time, this what will happen for you and can happen for you. Income disclaimer: in life, nothing happens until you take action, and you do a lot of it. I keep it all. The crazy cash flyer, the $1,000 a week, the fast mail order program. All these flyers are rocking, guys. Look at this thing here. Even this postcard, I got a payment. Somebody sent me a tracking number for that payment. For that postcard right there, it's coming. So we've got tracking numbers that are coming, and we want to invite you to come along, partner side. I've never been into it. I've never been into working home. Has never been this good, and we want to start opening up these packages and show you what came in. This is just astounding, and I want to get into it real quick with you. Give me a few minutes. Let's walk around. This crazy cash flyer is a must join. This flyer has psychological triggers, and it convinces the people to sign up with you. There's no selling, no telling, no explaining. And folks, all the money comes to you. Is it worth $450? It is worth its price of admission. I'm telling you, guys, if you mail this flyer, it's one of the highest converting flyers that I've ever been a part of. And I want to invite you to be a partner in it. Did you see this video, guys, that I did yesterday? I did this video yesterday, and we talked about just mailing flyers and being consistent. You do it over and over and over again. Well, Timothy, what are the products? Oh, before I get deep down, guys, tomorrow I'll be doing a video probably on the supplement grid, guys. These are our back end opportunities, supplement grid and live good. We're promoting these on the back end and encouraging people to get a part on the back side. But on the front end, we're promoting these make money today programs. You make a sale today, you get paid today. So hit that like button, guys. Hit that like button. I really would appreciate it. It would help me out in the ranking of this video. This flyer, guys, has been a game changer. Folks, you get $450 and you send $450 to the you send $100 to the admin. The admin will take care of it. They'll send $100 to the admin. And guys, that's incredible. Very, very excited about this flyer. Could not be more excited about what it's doing for me and my family. And we're winning. We're winning so big with this flyer. When you mail it in, guys, you can send it into this address here, and we'll get you started. I can email you the flyer, guys. I can get you started through Cash App or PayPal, and we can get it sent over if we want to really speed up the time. But Rodney's pretty fast in filling the orders. Well, what is the product? The product is the marketing kit. The marketing kit has leads. You get 300 forever stamps. You're going to get 300 premium buyer leads on pill and stick labels. Guys, this is incredible, and they can even do mailings for you. And after I open these packages, guys, this $1,000 week solution flyer, it's on fire. Rip to the upside. Hit that like button, guys. On a rip to the upside. One of the highest, most converting flyers I've seen. And here, guys, this is a great flyer here. This fast mail order system flyer. I'm getting payments in on this thing here too, guys. Marvin even joined both of them. So welcome to the program, everybody. I want to welcome everybody that has joined me in any of these programs, guys. Welcome to the program. Welcome, welcome, welcome. All these programs has products, services, and value, unlimited support, and you're off to the races. Let's get into these, what had come in, and let's rip some of this stuff open. Here we go. There's your tracking number, if you can see it, guys. This came, they were so excited. They came overnight. overnight package. Okay. Okay. It's $1,000 a week solution. He's written that on there. And this is what we've got. All right. A $100 money order. $100 money order for the $1,000 a week solution flyer. On fire, folks. I would invite you to come on and partner alongside of us. Here's another one. Guys, this one here is the tracking number 113. 113 came in on 1/13/2013. And let's get this thing here open. Let me reach to grab it. Okay. Here is another one. And this, I believe it's a $1,000 a week solution flyer. Okay, look what we got here, guys. This is another $1,000 a week solution flyer. Here is the money order for that one. So we've got the 2 money orders for $1,000 a week flyer. These people are getting excited. They're overnighting funds, folks. They are priority mailing it in, and we're going from there. Here is the other envelope here. Look at this, folks. The $1,000 a week solution flyer. Look what's inside of it. 2 $50 bills. Welcome to the program. This is Wilford P. out of Albuquerque, New Mexico. Welcome to the program. Ted Holiday from Aberdeen, Texas. Welcome to the program. I want to welcome Ron Zimmerman. Ron, we've got it. We're going to get you off to the races. Welcome, Ron, to the $1,000 a week solution. All of you, welcome to the $1,000. Let me go back over here. A week solution flyer. This is incredible. Here is Jason out of Chattanooga, Tennessee. See what Jason sent in. Okay, folks, here we go. The $1,000 a week. Welcome to Jason. $100 bill. Well, $100 bill in that one. Welcome, Jason, to the $1,000 a week solution. We have another one out of North Carolina. Big shout out. Big shout out. Hit that like button, guys, to our friend Marvin Williams down over there in Charlotte, North Carolina. Marvin, welcome to the program. Could not be more excited. Marvin joined this one, and he joined this one. So big welcome to Marvin. I'll show the proof of the other one in another video. Get this thing open here. Welcome, Marvin, to the what is this thing? Okay, got it. Welcome, Marvin, to the, here we go, Crazy Cash. And what did Marvin send, guys, inside of here? Welcome, Marvin. I'm going to not reveal his stuff. There is another, this is happening on a daily basis, guys. Another money order for $450. Can you see it? $450. I don't know if you can see that. $450 money order for the Crazy Cash system. Folks, this is incredible. Now, like I said, tomorrow, guys, when I get to mail, I'm not going to do a proof video. But we like to do them every now and then. Not to impress you, but to impress upon you what's possible. These things are just absolutely exploding. We want to invite you to come along on the side of us. Great things are happening. And you mail, guys, until you get sales. Like I said, refer back to my video that I did yesterday. Look at this thing. How you mail. I put urgent on my stamp. Got it from Staples. And guys, look where I got my leads from. Wilson's List. I went over there. I buy 20,000 at a time. Wilson's List, Leads by Mountain Marketing, MLM Labels, Wolf Enterprises. These are the lists that we're utilizing. And we're very excited about it. Very excited. But this flyer here, guys, they even got a way that they can mail flyers for you. So just astounding as to what is coming in. This is a must-join flyer for 2023. This one, the $1,000 a week solution flyer. And folks, let me tell you what, I've got some Millionaire Mailer payments coming in. Guys, when they get here, I'll do a video on those. Millionaire Mailer has got some payments coming in. So these flyers, guys, have got room to run. All you do is fill out the bottom and mail it back in. And the monitor will get your product package. Your product package mailed off. And you'll be ready, set, go. I am excited about these programs. And folks, this is your consistent. Now, let me tell you what, folks. Some people out there, and nothing against, whoever want to, play the lottery or whatever want to do. But I want to tell you what, guys, you put your money in a home-based business. You got tax deductions. Everything, that you do concerning your business become tax deductible and become a write-off for you. Your light bill, those other things. I'm not a tax advisor. Please consult with one when you do all that. But it's just astounding as to what can be accomplished at your home. And people ask me, well, Timothy, what is the secret to success? What's the secret to success? Folks, let me tell you, it's a mindset. And I am nothing special. Andre Wilson's nothing special. Mary Beth Angelo's nothing special. Well, that we are to our families. Sam Randall, all these great people that Randall Walkers and all these folks that's making sales in these programs, guys. The main thing is, look, taking action. Looking at a video every day ain't gonna make you money, but when you take action, the universe will bend to your will. The universe will honor what you do. Guys, can you imagine making $100,000 in a year, folks? We taking up on average $300 to $600-700 some days, most days of the week. $300 to $700 most days of the week. You multiply that times 30 days. And don't get me wrong, people send cash apps on the weekend. It's incredible times. Can you mail a flyer? Can you remain consistent? Can you do it over and over again, guys? And people that reverse mail you, save them. Every time somebody sends you their offer, every time somebody reverse mails you, you save it for 30 days. And then you send one or two along with the other offer that they just sent you, reverse mail them back with your offer that you're currently mailing and the one that they sent back to you that they didn't join. And a month later, their program not working, they'll be more inclined to take a look at yours. I have signed so many people up through reverse mail. Guys, are you picking up what I'm putting down? Are you picking up what I'm putting down? Smash out the like button. Folks, what if you look at this? Okay, when you order, you're going to get access to the 500 print mail service. Imagine getting 15 $450 sales out of 500 color flyers that we print and mail for you. That's a whopping $6,750 in cash. What if you only get 5 sales? Well, that's $2,250. You can't lose. It is amazing. This program comes with a money-back guarantee. So excited, confident the Crazy Cash program will work. Give it a try for 90 days. After 90 days, if you have not received one single sale, you will get a refund with no questions asked. Folks, that's incredible. Are you tired of getting burned by programs that are not working? Try this one. And it can work. Got any questions, guys? You can call Ron. You can call Ron, and he'll answer any questions. He's the monitor of the program. James Truss out of Alabama made $900 in one day. Roll back up here. Look what Roy's got in his hand. $5,500 from mailing this flyer. $5,500. Roy's nothing special. Well, he is to his family and loved ones. But you know what I mean, folks. Hit that like button. If you enjoyed this video, guys, hit that like button. Get ready tomorrow, guys. We're going into our supplement grid call on Wednesdays. Every Wednesday, we're going to do this is a Shameless Club, the supplement grid, guys. That thing is exploding. Put one product on auto ship and you're ready, set, go. We're building this on the back end out to 10 grand per month, and it's building like a snowball. Folks, have a wonderful day. Get ready for that call on tomorrow. Well, on Wednesday night at 7 p.m., whenever you're watching this video. Have a wonderful day. If you want to get started, the instructions will be below the video. Request a flyer today. Do it today. You may be looking at 3 a.m. in the morning. I'll send it to you when I wake up in the morning. I'll check my email several times a day. People request flyer throughout the day. If you want to join through Cash App, let me know. I'll send you the link. I'll send you the Cash App tag. PayPal, I'll send you the tag. We'll get you started today. All right, folks. That's enough for now. Bye for now. And until the next video, guys, make sure also pick up you some leads. Look at the testimonials, guys. Pick up some leads from direct mail from Wilson's List. Look at this. The following customers, satisfied customers, recently ordered 500 names. 30 days later, we received 100 replies. Absolutely no nixies. I've never experienced such a high rate of replies. Look at that. Look, the next testimony. I always thought you get what you pay for. I only ordered 200 names and 1,000 from an expensive list company. Guess what? I got more responses from that 200 names than I did for 1,000. Thank you for providing a quality list at an affordable price. We've always received excellent response with your mailing list. Our response has skyrocketed over 8% with our last mailing, folks. 8%. Anything direct mail, if you're doing 1%, you're doing good. Folks, I'm experiencing about a 2.5% mail in these flyers. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Until the next video.